Hey Ed, look at what I got. It's a bird of prey. Is in a church. Yeah, in a church. Yeah. Are you the sweetest bird? Are you the sweet? And when you first get him, when you have him in a little cloth, it's real calming to a bird to take a big long breath in, and then I breathe back like on the side of their body or their chest and breathe out. And it makes them feel calm because it has something to do with their anatomic system of some sort. It makes them calm. Yes. Oh, you are so sweet. Come to me. Can you step up? Come on. Oh, good boy. Good little birdie. Oh, you are precious. You're my precious boy. Don't be scared. Oh, you're a pretty bird. Look how pretty you are. Look how beautiful that birdie is. Oh, you're a good boy.